Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out on the water checking out a 2025 Harris Sunliner 250. So, starting off with the Sunliner, we're way up here in the bow, just really taking in how big this bow is on this 25 footer. You could fit a ton of people up here. I'll sit down just so you can get an idea of the lounger. This one over here on the starboard side is even a little bit longer than the port side one here, but plenty of seating. Along with that is plenty of storage underneath each and every one of these seats. And on both sides, you're gonna get 2 cup holders and plugins for all your electronics. Taking a look at the seat backs up here, you can see some thoughtful design in here. Got some flip up and down armrest and some diamond stitching all along the seat backs of the loungers up in the front here. Awesome thing to point out on the Sunliner is gonna be this. They call it an ADA door, so this door is perfectly sized, so a wheelchair can roll in and out of there. Pretty cool feature they put on almost all of their boats from Harris there. And right behind that is your dedicated cover storage that you've got on board here. So your cover will slide right in there when you're out on the water. That way it's not taking up any of your other storage on the boat itself. Pretty cool layout on this Sunliner here. We've got the dual captain's chairs, so both chairs are gonna have the ability to fully swivel, adjustable seat backs, and flip down armrest on here as well. So it makes for a super spacious cockpit, and with this nice big bimini, tons of sun coverage from that mid-boat back. Then brings us right into our convertible lounger right here. So this is gonna be a couple positions, right? So you got forward facing, aft facing, or you can even drop it all the way flat to have a nice big sun pad all the way towards the transom on the back of this pontoon here. Awesome thing about this lounger is going to be this big storage compartment that you get underneath it. All right, so that actually does connect all the way through from this spot to underneath this big cushion in the back here. So nice huge compartment there. You can store just about any of your toys back here. While we're back here on this extended rear platform, we'll take a look. You do have your safety chains and your fender storage rails on board here. It's an awesome feature to have on any Harris pontoon. And a big ski tow bar. It's nice and sturdy to pull any kind of ski or tuber with that 200 horsepower Mercury V6 you got on the back. So it's a lot of power on this boat here. We'll work our way back into the cockpit just to take a quick look at the helm. So you can see we've got the Clarion head unit with our upgraded Harris steering wheel in front of our Harris analog gauges there. So we've got a speedometer and a tach with a digital screen, as well as a trim and fuel gauge. A couple of switches over here to the right, and then a locking glove compartment down here on the bottom of the helm. Awesome feature that 200 is going to be this Mercury DTS, that's digital throttle, so no cable driving your throttle on this motor here. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake Holbrooks.